everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's another exciting day because today I want to do an easy makeup look, an easy eye makeup look for you guys. So if you haven't, please like and subscribe to my channel, ring my bell, and let's get started into this look. So the first thing we want to do is put eye primer or concealer on your eyelid because you want to make sure and have a nice smooth base for when you're going to apply your color onto your eyelids. You can apply it with your finger or you can apply it and then you can put it on with a brush or a blending sponge. You can even take some translucent powder and put it all over the eye as well. Helps sets the eye for the makeup to go on smooth. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to focus on this part of the eyelid. And then secondly, we want to focus on crease, which is right above the eyelid. And then third, we're going to concentrate on the above brow bone right here. So what we want to do to get the color on the lid, we're going to split the eyelid into three pieces: the inner corner, the middle, and then the outer edge. So with this look, I'm going to choose 4 colors. And these are all from the 9C Morphe palette. So this is number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. So with this colored look, I wanted to choose 4 colors. So these are the 4 colors I chose because they're kind of similar when you look at them on the palette. So let's put the colors onto the eyelid. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to take the Hidden Gem color, this one, and I'm going to put it in the crease of my eye. I'm going to do it in a sweeping motion. This is a matte color too, there's no shimmer in it, so I just want to put this in the crease of my eye. I apologize if you can hear my birds in the background. They're just 2 happy little birds. As you get to the crease area, make sure there's not too much on the brush, so then you can kind of blend it into the color that's on the eyelid. And you can pack this on as much as you want to intensify the color. So I decided to take my MAC Beauty Marked color. It's a lot darker. I wanted kind of almost to smoke out this outer edge. So I'm going to take this darker color and I'm going to put it on the outer portion of my crease. I might have to get a bunch so you can build it up. Kind of want to do a C motion, like the letter C. Then you want to blend while you're doing it too. You can see all the colors, 1, 2, 3. We can get that later. And lastly, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a smaller inner corner brush. This is just a ELF brush. And I'm going to take Rose Quartz, which is a lighter color, and then just put it in the inner corner of the eye. You can even take a little bit and put it above your brow bone. Just a little. Now I'm going to finish up this look off camera and then I'll be back in 1 minute. And there you have it. There's the last part of the look. I put lashes and liner on. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys later. Bye everybody!